Hi, this is Phil Shapiro. I am making the screencast on a 2008 iMac. This is a 24-inch iMac, and I've installed Linux Mint. I wanted to show that you can refurbish these computers, and it's still very useful for media making. I'm making a HD video here. Over on the left, I have LibreOffice open, the word processor, and I'm using that for the lighting for the screencast. So I'm nice and lazy. Instead of setting up separate lighting for the screencast, I just open up LibreOffice and it's illuminating my face. So I almost want to sing, "You light up my life. You light up my life." I'm going to break into song, LibreOffice. So I just wanted to show you, this is a screencast. I'm over here on the OpenClipArt website. Isn't this gorgeous? My favorite, OpenClipArt.org, this is like vector graphics made with Inkscape, the free software. Or it could have been made with something else. And this is all public domain. You can download all these clip art pieces, 160,000. And some of them are so gorgeous. Here's my favorite. Here's my absolute favorites, African women with vessels. Check this out. Isn't this the most gorgeous art? So there we go. You can use that. You can download it. And look at some of the other that's just stunningly wonderful. So here's African Beauty, an animation portrait of a young black woman in a turban. So that is usable for you in any of your projects. And then you yourself, if you are an artist, you could be making that kind of art. You could be making that kind of art. Let's come back a step. I'm back a step. And I just wanted to see that other piece of art. It was so nice. So we come over here, and we scroll down. There was some other art. Yeah, some of this other art is just lovely, lovely, lovely. African Animals Collage Sunset. Okay. Anyway, so I also wanted to come over here to the opensource.com website. This is a favorite website of mine. I've written some articles here. You can look them up. Over here, here's an article by my friend Don Watkins, who's written, I think, several hundred articles. I think he's written. I mean, he's just very prolific, shares a lot of knowledge, retired educational technology specialist. So this is Shello World Turtle Graphics in Python. This is one thing he wrote. And then he also wrote, "Build your own open source alternative to Google Suite with Nextcloud." And that one is a recent article. This art's real recent. Teaching kids Linux at summer camp. That was like 2 years ago. Very interesting. And then Linux Lab and its potential in education. This is way back in 2014. So come over here. You can look up Don Watkins and see the articles he's written. If you are a teacher, you can learn a lot from Don. And you can follow him on Twitter too, Don Watkins. And do they say how many articles he's written? I'm not sure if they say how many articles he's written, but I think it might be as much as 150 or 200 or maybe even 300. I have lost track. Anyway, so this is my test screencast. I'm on a 2008 iMac. I think it's a Core 2 Duo, and I'm using SimpleScreenRecorder, the free screencasting software. I'm using my USB Logitech headset, and then I'm also recording this separately to a digital audio recorder because I'm curious. This is going to be digital audio recorder, which is CD quality audio. So I'm going to put this up on the web, both with the USB audio that you can listen to, and then with the CD quality audio that you can listen to. And you can decide if this old computer can have some more use in your life. So I picked this up from a nice business in Washington, D.C. It was a discarded computer. And on a piece of paper, it was written at the top, obsolete-discard. So you get to decide yourself, is this computer obsolete? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's got a couple more years use of it, especially with Linux installed. So see you next time. This is Phil Shapiro.